Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer backup files with Acronis detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin the process of transferring backup files with Acronis, ensure that you have Acronis True Image installed on your computer. Launch Acronis True Image by double-clicking the application icon. Once the application opens, navigate to the backup section from the left sidebar. In this section, you will see a list of your existing backups. Select the backup you wish to transfer by clicking on it. After selecting the backup, look for the Manage button at the top of the window. Click on Manage, then select Create a new backup copy from the drop-down menu. You will be prompted to choose a destination for the backup copy. Select the appropriate option based on where you want to store the transferred files, such as an external drive or cloud storage. Click on Next to proceed to the next step. Review the settings to ensure everything is correct for your backup copy. If needed, adjust the settings for file retention or additional options as required. Once satisfied, click on Backup Now to start the transfer process. The progress of your transfer will be displayed on the screen. Wait until the transfer is complete, which may take some time depending on the size of your files. After the transfer, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that it was successful. You can now navigate to the location you chose to verify that your backup files are present. With these steps completed, you have successfully transferred your backup files using Acronis. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.